everyone. How are you today? This is Cielo Fuentes. I'm the host of House Matters. And here this evening, we have my friend, good friend, lender partner, Mr. Ed Esteban.
Good evening po. Kumusta na kayo?
So ngayon, ang ating episode for today is we're going to talk about how do we get started in home buying. So lately, we've been getting inquiries from Facebook and YouTube, and people are asking, how do we get started? Ate, paano ba mag-start ang pagbili ng bahay? Sana all, ha? Di ba? So ang first thing na sinasabi ko sa mga nag-i-inquire is, if you could give me 30 minutes of your time to have a Zoom meeting or have a call so that we can introduce you to a buyer orientation. And that buyer orientation, one of the first things that we do is to figure out how much of a loan you can qualify for. And that's that's a time that I introduce you to good lenders, most especially like Ed. Ed and I have been working together for many years. And one thing I like about Ed is that he actually takes the time, just like me, to consult with the buyer. So hindi lang basta, let's go, tingin tayo ng bahay. He actually educates the buyer from start to finish. And today, he's here to continue on. Ed, ano ba ginagawa mo when I refer to you, yung first-time home buyers?
Yes, ang essential part po ng atin is planning, no? So wag kayong ma-intrigue. Planning is the first part. Number one is for me to understand what your goals are. Ano po ba yung inyong objective? Kasi yung iba-iba ang mga situation, katulad ng, kami mag-asawa, we're in an apartment, we want to buy a house. Yung iba naman, we're renting a house with kids and we wanted to, finally buy our first home. We don't know where to start. So yun po mga scenarios na yan. First, I make it a point to understand ano yung scenario. And then,
needs analysis, ha?
Yes, analysis po yan. At saka, of course, we get to know each other. We get, comfortable na you can, feel free to ask me things that, could be like you're wondering about, pero it could be like an easy answer, no? So, ang process po niyan is preparation. And how do we do that? Ang initial step po, what we call a pre-approval, which Cielo, by the way, is gonna need it. Kasi most sellers, yung na nagbebenta ng bahay, they will ask, ikaw ba pre-approved na? Okay? Which that will be my job to help you get through that process. Ang pre-approval po is to help you understand how much house you can afford, what are the monthly payments associated to that purchase. Kaya kung sabihin natin kung 500,000 or 650 or 700,000 bibilin mo, ano ang magiging monthly payment? Kasi kailangan nyo rin yun malaman para makapag-budget ka, di ba?
I was gonna say, and sorry to interrupt, I was gonna say, isa yan din sa mga questions na sinasabi ng mga tao is that, gusto kong bumili sa San Francisco o gusto kong bumili sa Solano, ganyan. Mahirap akong magsabi kung na pakitaan kayo ng property sa San Francisco kung walang pre-approval kasi kung hindi naman kaya ng budget natin, ba't tayo sisiksik doon, di ba? Pero, hey, kung kaya natin ng Black Hawk, why not, di ba?
Yes,
so,
absolutely.
one of the first things, we cannot have, ano sinasabi nila, we cannot have champagne taste for a beer budget.
Yeah.
Okay. So, kailangan malaman natin ano yung price point natin. And that's why it's very important to get a pre-approval.
Right. Tsaka yun po, very exact. Through that analysis, from your income, from your credit review, which all I will do with you, tsaka po yung, of course, yung ating mga assets, how much money are we looking to put down, okay? Of course, we do have low down payment, but yung iba, meron akong pera, sabi ayoko naman ng minimum down kasi magiging malaki ang monthly payment. So they're putting, X amount down, if preferably 20% down para wala na yung mga additional mortgage insurance na tinatawag, which we will expand on at another time. Pero yung po malalaman nyo ahead of time para, tsaka po hindi po limited kung saan ka bibili. When I give you a pre-approval and I say, Mr. and Mrs. Cruz, it's gonna be, up to 650,000, at tsaka kung napag-usapan natin, minimum down lang 3.5%, ito magiging monthly payment, hindi po yun restricted sa isang lugar. So kumbaga kung ang trabaho nyo sa Alameda, ganyan, pero ang gusto nyong bahay sa San Francisco, baka hindi natin ma-afford yun, no? Depende sa work, no? Ang sinasabi ko lang na instance din is kung $1.5 million house pero ang gusto mong monthly payment 3,000 lang, hindi po hindi po mangyayari yon kasi it's math. It's hindi kayo sa akin makikipagtawaran. I'll help you go through that. Ngayon,
mas malaking purchase price, asahang mas
mas
malaki din
malaki
ang
rin din
monthly
ang payment.
payment, right?
Opo.
So
And
mas malaki ang down payment, bababa yung iyong bababa yung iyong mortgage payment pag
right.
mas malaki ang down payment.
Tsaka once we determine that kung ano yung capacity natin, that pre-approval will give Cielo indicator where would be the best location for you, and then you can start house hunting in those locations. And of course, may mga preference din po closer to work, ganyan, o baka may mga family members kayo closer to let's say Contra Costa County or Solano County, ganyan po, no? Or Sacramento even, no? Walang limitation, but for the sake of reference, ang area po natin that we mostly do, although I do lend nationally, of course with Cielo, is Bay Area through Sacramento. So,
wag ka mabigla, nakabenta din ako sa SoCal.
galing, ha?
Depende.
Southern
Depende
California po
kung
yan. Okay. So, but anyway, we will always do our best to look after your best interests. Lalo na po yung preparation yan, very important yan, na walang guessing game, walang surprises. You will know kung ano yung estimates po, lahat yan to begin with, estimates. Pero you will see the ballpark on where you land. If, let's say, kung bibili mo nga 650, ang down payment 3.5%, or kung 20% ang ida-down mo, what are the monthly payments associated with it? Para meron kayong idea for your future budget. No?
So the things that you're looking for is income,
yes,
right? So kung meron silang pay stub, or are they self-employed, di ba?
Right.
Tapos you're also looking for assets, right? Assets, yes. Ano bang down payment? Malaki ba down payment? Wala bang down payment? May pang-closing cost ba? Right? Liabilities, magra-run ka rin ng credit, di ba?
Yes.
So ano yung magandang credit score?
So I'll tell you what the minimum is. Minimum credit score that I can fund your loan is 580. 580. Can I fund you at 500? Yes. Pero kailangan ko ng mas malaking down payment. Kailangan ko ng 25%. No?
Oh, okay.
Kung
Ba, okay
580,
rin 25, ba?
pwedeng 3.5%. No? 3.5%.
Okay.
So,
okay,
pero
so,
preferably kung gusto nyo ng good rate, mga 700 or 680
700.
above kung gusto nyo ng good rate. Yeah.
So, income, assets, liabilities, may isa pa.
Identity, of course. Your identification. Para lang natin kung si Juan de la Cruz nga yung kausap ko o hindi, no?
Okay,
kasi
good.
it's our job to protect your financial information from theft, no? So we are trained in Patriot and Banking Act, yung confidentiality. We're all trained to identify po para kasi po sa totoo lang we did experience where somebody else is impersonating somebody and try to get a loan. Nangyayari po yan.
Yeah, very important. So going back to dun sa liability part, paano kung marami silang utang o kaya sira ang credit nila? How can you help them?
So during the process of doing credit analysis, ako po I've been doing this for so long na I can pretty much give you advice on how to correct things or how you can improve your credit score, no? But I am not a credit repair professional. So pag marami pong gagawin that you have to take action and have to monitor it, I can refer you to a reputable credit repair or credit solution company. Hindi po tayo kasali doon sa company na yon or even Cielo. They will be a third party na nasubukan na natin na they provide good services, no? So pero kasi if I can save you $500 to $1,000 na wag nang pumunta sa credit repair and I can just advise you, I will do that. Because if I see it and I've done this so long that I can pretty much just tell you, do this, do that, and wait like a couple of weeks na tataas yung score because of that solution. No?
So you actually could tell them, okay, pay this off, don't pay this off, those kind of things, right?
Kasi I know how to deal with that. Kung katulad po ng may mga old collections na over 2 years old na. Once you touch that, it's gonna be a new collection. So you want to keep it at old para
maybe we should have another episode on that one.
Yeah, about credit.
There you go. Yeah.
Definitely. So stay tuned po tayo sa House Matters. That would be another episode for us to do credit analysis and how we can help you with that. No problem. Ngayon po, and then of course to move forward, marami pa tayong we can provide you with great advice, but be sure nakita po yun yung contact number namin ito sa taas, okay, Cielo's phone number. Make sure na you give us a call. Don't get intimidated. Call us at the first instance that, hey, Cielo or Ed or Kuya Ed, I'm ready, but I don't know where to start. But I don't even know if I'm really ready. I want to, but help me prepare. That's our job. We will help you. We will hold your hand to do that. Okay. And through the process po, we're gonna be talking a lot, and then we'll ang process po natin, by the way, is pretty much electronic process. So we talk on Zoom, we talk on the phone, and we pretty much deliver things via computer. No? So
paano kung hindi sila computer savvy?
Well, we're gonna have to find somebody kasi kung nandun kayo sa San Jose and I'm in Fairfield, it's very tough for me to just drive over there to pick up your documents. No, and I can advise you on how to do things, no?
Yeah,
Marami naman mga business center ngayon na po, yun, andyan ang FedEx, tsaka UPS, that you can actually go to their business centers and still do this, no?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, that's good. Everyone, kung sana may natutunan kayong ngayong araw na to. Ako, alam ko na whenever I talk to Ed, I learn something new all the time.
Because every single file, I will always walk my clients through it. There's not gonna be any guessing game. And ang process din po natin, once I get you pre-approved and you find the right house with Cielo, every 2 to 3 days, you and I will be talking until the day you move into your house. So walang guessing, wala talagang guessing. Talagang you will be like, si Ed na naman. Yes.
So our first step really is to make the decision to buy a house.
Yes.
And then contact either one of us. And for me, if you contact me, I will refer you to Ed. Make sure you say House Matters.
Yes.
And we will make sure from start to finish that hindi ka namin pababayaan. The worst thing that you could do is not even taking the first step. Diba? Maraming ganyan eh. Meron ako just recently closed, right? And yung pamilya, they kept on thanking me, ate, thank you. Madali palang bumili ng bahay. And madali kapag desidido ka na, kapag ready kang to take on the challenge. It's scary, of course. It's something that it's something new to you, right? But because you're dealing with, I've been in the business for 23 years, okay? And then Ed, you've been in the business for 23 years too, right?
Same.
So between the two of us, you rest assured that somebody will guide you on the process, on the loan side and also on the sales side. Ang number one lang talagang kailangan gawin is for you to decide na gusto mo nang bumili ng bahay, and let's try and figure out kung ready na ba kayo or hindi pa. And kung halimbawa pre-approve tayo ni Ed at nalaman ninyo na hindi pa handa, don't be discouraged. Mas mabuting alam ninyo yung process going towards buying a home than never trying to figure out how to do it, right? Before you know it, lumagpas ng 40 years, hindi ka na nakabili ng bahay. Right?
Yes.
So the first step really is to make a decision today to that you want to get into the path of home ownership, and Ed and I are here to help you.
Yes, absolute po 'yan, tama 'yon. Kasi nga ang as you know in our current not just in California but nationally, real estate is one of the best vehicles to invest in. Not only that you have ownership sa house, pero ang appreciation po over the period of time, pataas ng pataas. Maniniwala ba kayo, once upon a time in the 70s, which is, several decades ago, sa San Francisco, which is now every home is more than $1 million, 70s lang yun, no? That's only, 3 decades, right? Or, well, 5 decades. Basically, makabili ka ng bahay for like $30,000. $30,000, which are now like $1.5 million. So kita niyo yung equity, no? And I know people that actually haven't paid off. So they're sitting on $1.5 million worth of money. If they decide to retire, they sell it off, malami silang pera. So biggest investment po yan. Ngayon, this is actually a good time to also educate you on the other part of our platform, which we call home mortgage protection, no? And very, very important po. And we feel strongly about this, that it should be essential part of your purchase strategy as homeowners. Kasi biggest investment nga, pero anong protection mo? Are you really protecting it? Kasi nga, ang education, we're not gonna go too much in detail, but we need to just mention na lahat tayo in our life, magkakaroon tayo ng sakit, magkakasakit tayo, no? So what do you mean, Ed, magkakasakit? I'm buying real estate. What does my health have to do with this, no? Pag kayo nagkaroon kayo ng heart attack or stroke or cancer during the time na itong your homeowner na meron kayong mortgage, ito pong home mortgage protection plan na to, which is by the way offered by both me and Cielo, no? This can pay off your house. It can pay off your mortgage. Okay, kasi yung iba dyan, kabibili lang, 1 year pa lang, biglang na heart attack si Mr. O ngayon, hirap sila. Paano magbabayad yun, hindi nga makapagtrabaho. Yung pong plan na yun, okay, we designed according to your specific situation, yun maaring mag-pay off ng inyong mortgage. Di ba? Ayaw ba nyo yun? Pay off yung bahay nyo. Nagkasakit ka nga. Kasi magkakasakit tayo eh. Katulad nyo, just to a little bit disclosure, Cielo knows this. I'm actually a heart patient. I have a triple bypass already. I'm around. I'm right here. Di ba? Hindi man po nagkasakit tayo ng grabe. That means we're dead on na. No? We're hanging around. Technology and medicine keeps us alive, keeps us going. Pero kung nagkaroon ng incident na gano'n, tapos nabayaran niyo yung bahay niyo in full, di ba maganda yun?
Yes.
So we just thought that we have to deliver that. It's an essential part of our platform. And when we're in the planning process, we will talk to you in detail about that. Ano po? It's very good. Very, very good.
Yes. Home mortgage protection plan.
Yes.
Yeah. And with that, I think we can wrap things up.
Yes.
If you have any questions, once again, we will have our phone numbers here, banner, right?
Okay,
right
yeah, you see the phone numbers, it's on top. Okay, both Cielo and myself, we have our contact numbers, email and phone numbers on top. And be sure to get in touch with that. No question is silly, Huwag kayong matakot. We're just human. We're just, your ate and kuya.
There you go.
Give us a call, all right?
Well, everyone, I hope you had learned something new today. And kung gusto nyo pang matuto sa more, just let us know.
Follow us.
Give us a call. Yeah, give us a call. And we surely will help you sa lahat na aming makakaya. Maraming salamat po. And sa suulitin.
Remember,
bye.
House Matters. House Matters po. You can find us on YouTube.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.